Today we're going to rethread the holes to secure the engine base on a Loncin LC152F engine using an M8 by 1.25mm helicoil kit. Clear the damaged thread with a power drill and the 8.3 HSS drill bit provided in the kit. You can measure the depth and mark this on the drill. Using the tapping tool and a ratchet, cut the new threads. Make sure you are placing the tool in straight. Cutting oil is recommended by coating the tapping tool, which helps with lubrication to help extend the life when using force. You may want to use GT85 to clean out the cleared hole from any metal shavings. When you have created new threads, get the new insert on the installation tool and position the adjustable ring so that the tang is centered on the tang slot. Wind the new insert in a downwards pressure until a half turn below the surface. Don't work against the direction. To remove the tang at the end of the spring, gently tap this with the brake tool provided. That's how you rethread the holes to secure the engine base on a Loncin LC152F engine using an M8 by 1.25mm helicoil kit. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.